Hello everyone and welcome to More Like Check. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Play on the Windows subsystem for Android in the simplest way possible. Allow me to show you the result of watching this video and completing the steps. As you can see with me, I have the Play Store installed in my WSA and it is running perfectly. Let's try installing a random application like Instagram and see how quick it is compared to APK side loading. As you can see with me, I installed Instagram with just a few clicks using the Play Store, as the same as you can do with your Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. Before anything else, you need to delete or uninstall the WSA from your system, and with WSA I refer to Windows Subsystem for Android. And the reason is, the package you will download include the Windows Subsystem alongside with Google Play, and you will get an error if you try to install the new package and you have WSA already installed in your system. So go ahead and do the same thing as I will do right now and delete it from your system. After you delete the WSA, also you need to enable developer mode in your Windows. To do so, go to settings, and head over to privacy and security, click on for developers, and simply activate developer mode and click yes, exactly the same thing as I did right now. After doing these steps, now go to the link that you will find on the description, and it is a GitHub link. This is an open source tool that will give you both the Windows subsystem for Android and Play Store service in the same time. When you get to the link, go ahead and click on Actions. As you can see with me, you will need to download the file, but you need a GitHub account for this text to be a clickable link to download this tool. Simply create an account or log in with your existing account in GitHub. As you can see, I'm logging right now with my account. After that, go back to the action page, and as you can see with me guys, now you can click on this link and download the tool. After downloading the tool, use WinRAR to extract the file to your desktop. Now guys, I extracted the folder, and in that folder you need to search for a file called install. When you find it, simply right click this file and click run with PowerShell. And now, as we can see together, the subsystem is installing with the Google services in the same time. After the install is completed, simply go to the start menu and launch the subsystem. After you launch the subsystem, you need to enable the developer mode, of course. After that, click on Manage Developer Settings. Let's wait the developer settings to open. After you launch the settings, just close it. You need to open it in order to activate the Play Store. And now go to the Start menu, and congratulations! You will find the Play Store either in the recommended section or search for it in the Start menu. Now, simply connect with your Google account or create a new one. After you log in with your Google account, and that you will see that Google Play is working for you perfectly. Now you have the Play Store working and you can install any application you want. For me, I will try to install any random application like Google Translate. The application now is downloading. And it's installing now. It's working very perfect. And now you can say goodbye to sideloading applications because all your popular applications are available with just one click. And now you can install also the XAPK files which you can install using the sideload method. I hope that was enough for you and the steps were clear. I answer all the queries I get in the comments, so don't hesitate to ask if you have any problem or you just want to give a feedback about my content in order to improve it. Don't forget to check the playlist created specifically for Windows 11 tutorials called Everything About Windows 11. Check the right bar above. Support me by liking this video, and if you want more videos related to Windows 11 and technology in general, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you will not regret the content I will provide in this channel. Have a nice day.